In this video, we're going to convert an equation of an ellipse into standard form. It says find the standard form of the ellipse given below in general form. We're given 16x squared plus 32x plus 24y squared minus 200y plus 16 equals 0. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 16 to the right side. So I have 16x squared plus 32x plus 25y squared minus 200y is equal to negative 16. Then I'm going to isolate x squared and x terms here by factoring a 16 out of both terms. So I have 16 left with x squared. If I take 32 divided by 16, I get 2x. Plus, factor 25 out, and I would get y squared minus 8y equal negative 16. Now I'm going to complete the square because I'm really looking to get it to this form. I want x minus h squared over a squared. Now this could be b squared as well, either one. And then this should be y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. I'm looking for this standard form, which means I need to have a quadratic with x variables that is a perfect square and a quadratic with y variables that is a perfect square. So that's where I need to complete the square for each of these things. To do that, I'm going to take 2 divided by 2, so the middle term divided by 2, and square it. And then I'm going to take negative 8 divided by 2 and square it. This is 1, this is 16. So then I'm going to write 16 x squared plus 2x plus 1, when I add the 1 into the inside of the parentheses, plus 25 y squared minus 8y plus 16 is equal to negative 16, and then I need to add in two numbers here, and I added a 1 inside the parentheses here, but it's being multiplied times 16, so one of those numbers is 16. When I add the 1 here, it's times 16, that's why I write it here. And then 16 was added on the inside of these parentheses, but it's being multiplied times 25. So I need to add in 16 times 25, which is 400. This factors to 16x plus 1 squared, and this will be plus 25. This will be y minus 4 squared is equal to, the 16s cancel, I'm left with equal to 400. Now I need to get this equal to 1, so I'm going to divide by 400 on each side. (16 over 400) is 1/25, so this is x plus 1 squared over 25 plus 25 divided by 400 is 1/16. So I get y minus 4 squared over 25 is equal to 1. Made a mistake somewhere. Where did I make my mistake? Let's see. 16. Oh, 1/16. I wrote 1/25 here. This should have been a 16. 25 over 400 is 16. So I have x plus 1 squared over 25 plus y minus 4 squared over 16. That's what 25 over 400 reduces to. That's equal to 1. So this is my standard form equation.